A topic that's often overlooked in the world of branding is emergency funds. Just like we have emergency funds for personal finances, having one for your brand is crucial to help you weather unexpected storms. Every brand needs a rainy day reserve, and today we're talking all about it. I'm Peachy Williams, the Brand Voice Builder. As a business owner, I understand that building a brand doesn't happen overnight. It's all about positioning yourself to build, brand, and grow. If you're an entrepreneur or one in the making, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. I want you to think of your brand as a ship sailing through the unpredictable waters of business. Just like any journey, there's always the chance of hitting rough seas, right? So having an emergency fund is like having a lifeboat. Consider it your safety net when things get rocky. Now, it's important to expect the unexpected because running a business isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are bound to be hiccups along the way. Whether you have a sudden drop in sales, an unexpected expense, or another global pandemic, having a financial cushion can be a game changer. What exactly is an emergency fund for a brand? Essentially, it's a pool of money that you set aside to cover unforeseen costs, dips in revenue, or seizing unexpected opportunities without disrupting your day-to-day operations. Again, it's like building a safety net for your brand. Having an emergency fund isn't just about money. It's also about peace of mind. It's knowing that you can have a buffer to fall back on when things don't go as planned. And it can also help you, again, weather economic downturns. Because economic downturns are part of business, period. An emergency fund can help you navigate through those lean times without having to make drastic cuts or sacrifices that could harm your brand and business in the long run. On the flip side, having reserves can also help you seize opportunities that unexpectedly arise. It's like having the funds to invest in a game-changing marketing campaign or giving you the ability to pivot your business when the timing is just right. How do you go about building an emergency fund for your brand? I recommend start by setting aside a portion of your revenue each month. Think of it as paying an insurance policy for your brand's future. And once you've built up that emergency fund, it's important to manage it wisely. It's not a piggy bank for everyday expenses that you can just dip in when you want to. It's really there for true emergencies and strategic investments. I want you to think about preparing your brand for the unexpected. Start or keep building those rainy day reserves and steering your brand through the calm and stormy seas. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the platforms you're listening on if you like the content, and share this with anyone you feel needs this message. You can also sign up for the newsletter, notifying you when the next episode drops. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, keep thriving, and watch your brand grow.